What's up, superstars? We got another heat press test today. A few things that really caught our attention about this heat press is the pressure that this unit claims. So a lot of poor DTF results are a consequence of low pressure. We press our designs on heavy pressure of 40 pounds on our air pneumatic press. So when this press claims to have the title of 60 pounds of pressure and can heat up in 3 minutes, we really have to see if this lives up to the hype. It does have a 127 rating at a 4.5 star, which isn't bad at all. So we'll put it to the test. One more thing I want to add before we get started is that we're not affiliated with this brand at all. We're simply just testing out easily accessible heat presses from Amazon and finding the best one for your buck. All right, let's get this open. Let's talk features. Number one has got to be the automatic press and release function. We've seen it on the HTVRONT as well as the YITAHOME. It just doesn't provide enough pressure though, and there's no way to adjust it. So let's see if this one is tuned to 60 pounds or enough pressure. Size 15 by 12, price $187 with Prime, 400 degrees in less than 3 minutes, an auto shut off after 20 minutes of inactivity, and a 1-year warranty. Let's test this press. All right, guys, we're gonna be testing the heat up time. We're only gonna be setting it up to 400 degrees just to time it if it's less than 3 minutes. After that, we are gonna set it back to 300 degrees just for the T-shape press. While this is heating up, let's do the pressure dollar test. All right, we're gonna just put them all around. This is really just gonna see how much pressure this is holding. So these dollars shouldn't slip out of the press when it's pressed down. Last one. Okay, we're gonna press down. Now we're gonna give it a good tug. This one's on. This one's on. And double check this one. Okay, this one's on. Front end is good. Sides are good. Overall, I'm not seeing any looseness whatsoever. Everything is tugging. And as you can see, all the dollars are here. Definitely a lot more strained. All right, guys, we're getting close to that 400 degree mark. And as you can tell, we are past the 3 minute mark. We're at actually 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Now we're gonna put it over towards 300 degrees so we could press our t-shirt. We're gonna also set it for 7 seconds. I also wanted to see how exact the dimensions were. So, okay, it looks like it's a good 15 and a half. So it's a little bit over. And we're a little bit over the 12. Right now it's set to 300 degrees. We are going to see how the heat distribution is. 264, 264.3 in the middle. 248 up top, 246. 244, 238. Yeah, 239.5 on the right. Come on. 230 up down below. 232. 234. 234 onto the left-hand side. The heat distribution is definitely not all solidly 300 degrees. I was hoping the middle was at least semi on it, but yeah. Time to heat press this shirt. We are using an extra large black blank from Bella Canvas. All right, we're gonna use this nice colorful graphic as well. First, we're just gonna kind of line it up perfectly on the shirt. All right. I got to be real with you guys. Loading this in this press was no easy job at all, okay? See how it goes. All right. Seems nice. We're gonna do a second press. All right. Again, it's pretty difficult to load some shirts in, hoping that everything is completely covered. Definitely align prior. All right, the shirt looks great. Let's do the wash test. We're back, guys, with the wash test. Just want to let you guys know, I washed this on cold, normal wash, like I would do for my regular shirts. So let's check it out. There's a lot of premature wrinkling, and that kind of shows that there wasn't enough pressure to embed that transfer onto this t-shirt. I could also see the edges breaking. Not enough pressure will leave the graphic coming out like this. So in this case, I gotta say we don't recommend this press, since it did not pass the pressure and wash test. Some pros. First of all, it is aesthetically pleasing to look at. It kind of looks like a Foreman grill. It's under $200 at $189 with Amazon Prime. Low wattage is at 800 watts. Small footprint, has 22 by 19 by 11. Easy controller on the side, simple knob system. Main feature is an automatic press and release, which is kind of nice. It looks cool. The cons though, the heat up time was at 5 minutes and 15 seconds, not at the 3-minute mark. The controller feels cheap. I don't like the 15 by 12 layout. It's hard to load up shirts, not a lot of room, and there's no like slide out to assist with any of that. And it failed the pressure and wash test. We're gonna rate this heat press from 1 to 5. Sturdiness scale, we're gonna give it a 2. Overall good construction, heavy plastic, but controller does feel kind of cheap. On the easy to use scale, we're gonna give it a 4. Automatic press and release function was easy to use. On the pressure scale, we're gonna give it a 1. It failed our pressure test, and there's no controller knob to really adjust this problem. On the heat distribution scale, we're gonna give it a 1. It was very slow on the heat up time, and the distribution of heat was not really consistent. On the wash test, you guys already know, we're gonna give it a 1. It had a lot of premature wrinkles coming out of a normal cold wash. Overall, we're gonna give it a 2 stars out of 5. Save your money, guys. Get a different press. Watch our other heat press comparison videos just to find out which press is good for you. And I hope you guys find this very helpful. Let us know your thoughts. Please like and subscribe. Do you think anyone will notice my haircut?